Raya makeup tutorial using Drugstore makeup. I prep my skin with this Catrice fixing spray. Ini boleh jadi macam primer. So I spray it all over my face, and then I gunakan Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I pakai foundation ni dalam 2-3 pump macam tu, and then I blend it using my Brina Beauty blending pearl all over my face macam biasa. Foundation ni dia ada natural look, so bila you pakai you tak nampak cakey tau muka you, and also it is quite long lasting too. Untuk concealer, I guna 2 concealer from Wet n Wild. I gunakan darker shade untuk sebagai color corrector, and I pakai dia dekat I punya eye bag macam tu. The reason is that I nak cancel out all the like blueness and purpleness under my eyes. I apply concealer tu, I biar a few minutes, and then I buat I punya eyebrow using this Catrice eyebrow pencil, and then I ambil balik blending pearl tu, and then I blend. Tengok concealer tu dia macam hilangkan I punya eye bag kan. And then I ambil concealer warna light ni untuk I highlight kan dekat I punya under eyes. And a little dance untuk tunggu I punya concealer marinate, and then blend je macam biasa. Okay, I gunakan Silkygirl Shine Free Loose Powder ni untuk setkan I punya under eye yang I apply concealer tadi untuk prevent it from creasing, and I also set like all over my face lah basically. And then I ambil I punya brush, I macam sapu-sapu untuk hilangkan extra powder to avoid any cakiness kan. So just sapu-sapu je dekat muka I. And the stuff to show Silkygirl Juicy Peach eye and face palette. So I ambil colour brown tengah ni, and then I blend it to all over my crease basically untuk kita punya transition shade. And I was quite impressed actually. Dia macam agak pigmented considering it from Drugstore. And then I ambil colour dark brown ni, and then I put it all over my lids. Actually I nak buat macam sandwich method, and as you guys can see here, I'm struggling with this eyeshadow. I rasa shade ni dia macam susah sikit nak blend and a little bit patchy, tapi I blend juga sampai dia macam less noticeable dia punya patchiness tu. And you can tell by my face, I don't really like it. And I ambil colour peach ni, I put it all over my lids. Colour ni cantik, cuma dia agak chunky sikit, so dia ada fall out. So I just tap instead of like rubbing it on my lids. And then I ambil I punya blending brush and blend. Next, I ambil I punya eyeliner. This one is by Rimmel untuk eye tight line. Ni nampak macam mata you besar tau. Dia bagi nampak effect macam eyelashes you penuh macam tu. Next, I use this orange colour and I put it like in my inner corner macam tu. Just blend dengan warna peach tadi. Next, I use this Silkygirl lagi eyeliner, and this eyeliner is so good actually, and it's very dark. So I just apply eyeliner ke atas. I wing it macam biasa je. And mula-mula I nak buat dia macam nipis sikit, but at the end dia macam agak tebal. Lepas tu I spray brush and then I ambil highlighter from the same palette. Lepas tu I run it underneath my eyes. And then I letak sikit dekat I punya inner corner and then I blend. Lepas tu I ambil the first shade yang kita guna tadi and then I run it like to the outer corner of my lower lashes macam ni. Next, I gunakan bronzer daripada Palladio untuk bagi definition dekat muka I and macam bronzer sikit sebab muka I nampak flat je kan. And then I contour I punya hidung. Lepas tu, I ambil palette tu and ambil blusher dia. Blusher dia agak powdery macam korang nampak ni. I terpaksa tap and then macam biasa daripada belakang bawa ke depan. And surprisingly, the blusher is quite pigmented tau. Colour dia agak terang. So, boleh nampak dalam video ni I macam agak impressed. And I sapu-sapu dia sampai bawah mata I and then blend it towards my apple of my cheeks. And then I ambil highlighter and I highlight my cheekbones macam biasa. Highlighter dia pun quite okay. I ambil Silkygirl mascara and that is my son. Dia nak masuk juga. And then I curl my lashes and then I pakai je mascara tu macam biasa. And for the lipstick, I gunakan Wet n Wild. Cantik kan dia punya new packaging. This one is in the shade Sandstorm if I'm not mistaken. I will list it down below. Dia colour dia macam like pinky nude macam tu. And it's quite nice with the blush. And I pakai sapu-sapu macam biasa. I tak ada lip liner from the Drugstore, so that's why I terus pakai lipstick je. And lastly, I gunakan this Extreme Shine Lip Gloss from Essence. It is so shiny. Nampak tak? I letak dekat punya tengah-tengah bibir je and then I blend macam tu. And to seal the makeup, I pakai the same spray from Catrice. And I think that's all for this makeup tutorial. And we're done. So inilah makeup tutorial using the Silkygirl palette. Actually very nice kan? Nampak simple and cantik je. So I hope you guys like it. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!